I'm back again. I'm being consistent and I'm coming back with another hair video, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use these Wrap-A-Locs. You can also use pipe cleaners. These are just a little bit more sturdier, but I feel like pipe cleaners are easier to sleep in, so if you plan on sleeping in them, do pipe cleaners. But these work well too. A little bit pricey, but I guess they last over time, and you don't have to replace them like pipe cleaners if the pipe cleaners get worn out. But if you're new to my channel, I'm Denitrika and I'm a natural hair stylist here in Orlando and product creator of Pretty Dimples Studios. So if you are new, please subscribe, and if you are a old timer like me, thanks for sticking around and being with me. So back on my journey of continuing to make consistent videos, I'm back with one doing a hair tutorial. So I just shampooed my hair, and if you haven't already seen my wash day routine, you can take a look at that. That's up. And now I'm doing a hair tutorial. So just washed it, and then what I normally do after I wash is I spray my hydration mist all over, and then I seal in the hydration with my moisture replenisher. So I've already done that. My hair is still damp. I also still put on my black seed root stimulator, and I put that on my scalp. Usually every day I'll put on my rose hydration mist and my oil, but when I have a roller style where my hair is going to be curled up, I don't do that every day because it'll just drop my curls. But I will do my black seed root stimulator every once in a while. So what you can do, or what I'm going to do, is put my hair in, or do it in sections. So I'm gonna put this part up and work on the back for now. And they don't have to be like precision parts or anything. I'm gonna go in with my foam wrap. Put that on my locks. Some people prefer to just use water, that's fine too. This just gives it like a nice hold. So with the locks, you want to take, I don't know, like depending on the size of your locks, you might just want to take 3 or 4 or 1 or 2. But you are going to start at the bottom. And then once you have that one roll, you're going to flip this up. That way the bottom doesn't show. And then you're going to continue to roll to cover that. And then when I first got these, I got the long ones because my hair was long. But now that I cut my hair in short, I folded them halfway, but they're still kind of long, especially for the back. The back is still pretty short because that was the shortest part. So I'm just gonna do that again. Folding and then rolling over. Because really you could wear these as a style, and when my hair was longer, like it was a cute style to wear the actual Wrap-A-Locs. And then you can wear that for a while, and then take them out, and then of course you'll have another style because they'll be all curled up. But like I said, pipe cleaners work the same as well. I'm all over the place, I can't even concentrate. So the more locks you have on it, the looser your curls will be. And of course, the less locks you have on the roller, the tighter your curls will be. Now someone on I think it was my Instagram, had asked for this tutorial. So I hope you found it. Hope you found this video, and I will also try to post on my Instagram about this video so that you can see the tutorial. So I am taking request videos. So if there is something that you are curious about, if there's something that you want to know about, if there's something that you want to see how to do, let me know in the comments. If you follow me on my other platforms, my Instagram or my TikTok, you can also ask there. So that's just the first row. I'm not even sure if it's pretty, and it doesn't really have to be. I'm not keeping them in as a style. I just want to curl my hair. So for these, I probably will sit under the dryer because tomorrow I got work. I'm also going to the gym in the morning. That's also another topic we can talk about, is gym life with natural hair and locks, and how to maintain your hair while trying to get your fit on. So I'm saying that I'm gonna go under the dryer because I'm gonna be able to, I don't want to sleep in these. These are not comfortable sleeping in. Like, you want to have a rough night's sleep, sleep in these. It's terrible. So that's why I'm gonna be sitting under the dryer, so I can take them out tonight, and then that way I don't have to worry about it in the morning when I'm trying to go to the gym, come back, get ready for work, and life, you know how that goes. So I'm just going to be rolling up. I'll probably run out of these because I don't have a whole lot, and then I'm going to switch to pipe cleaners, and then I'll show you how to do them on pipe cleaners as well. Okay, so I got the small section left, and I've ran out of the Wrap-A-Locs, and now I'm moving on to the pipe cleaners. So when you get a pipe cleaners, it comes usually looking like this, but then you want to make it look like that. So what you do is you just fold it in half, and then you twist it like that. And then boom, you got your little pipe cleaner. So what I normally do, let me just spray this or pump my section on here real quick. Then you would take a section, just like the Wrap-A-Locs, and then you would start at the bottom, wrap your hair, and fold or bend the bottom, and then just wrap it. And then over like that. Easy peasy. And that's all in, just like that. So what I'm gonna do now is go under the dryer, and I'll show you how to take them out. Okay, so it's the next day. I never even got under the dryer. I got busy, got to cooking, doing stuff with the kids, so that just never happened. Ended up sleeping in with these. Yeah, didn't get much sleep because, like I said, they hurt. So I'm just gonna show you how I take them out. And I hope they're dry, because yeah, went to the gym like this and everything. So you just unfold this top part, and then since this part is bent, you're gonna twist it the opposite way. And you see the hair is starting to loosen up. And so that piece at the bottom that was folded, you find that, unfold it, and then you can just pull through. And then I like to keep it tight sometimes like this, just so that, I don't know, sometimes you want to wear it like this for a little bit too, but you can always separate it. Now for the Wrap-A-Locs, same thing, just unbend it from the top and then twist it the opposite way to loosen up the hair. I'm going to find that bottom piece that was bent and then unbend it, and then the hair is free, and then you can just pull through like so. What is not working? So let me try another one. See if it's dry enough. Okay, that one turned out good. So yeah, I'm just gonna take them out now. So they're all taken out now. I'm just starting to realize these Wrap-A-Locs, like, although they're like sturdy or whatever, and they're supposed to last longevity or whatever, they're not as easy to come out as the pipe cleaners. So in my opinion, the pipe cleaners are one, cheaper, they're easier to sleep in, and they come out faster, and they don't hurt your head. So these, like, if you don't have them, like, you don't have to go like looking for them to try to purchase them because they're expensive too. The pipe cleaners, in my opinion, they work good. So that's my final verdict. I'm not even sure if I will use them again. Like, they really hurt my head. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now because I think some of them are still kind of wet. And it's cold outside, and I'll probably put on like a hat or something. But this is still like a cute way. Like, if you want to do your little edges or something, you know, you can rock this to be, it's super cute. Like, it's just little, you know, little danglies. So I'm gonna rock this for a couple of days and then separate them. So for like locks, like I don't like go like this with my fingers. I literally just separate one lock at a time, and it gives it that nice defined like ringlet look, and it comes of course more full. So that is the end. If this is a video that you enjoyed, if this is a video you think you've learned from, please hit that subscribe button. There'll be plenty of more. If you know somebody with locks, or you think someone can benefit this, share this with them and invite them on this journey with us. So this is just another look. If there's any other requests that you are curious about or want to know more about, hit me in the comment section and I'll be sure to get that video out there with you too. So till then, I'll talk to you guys later.